Okay, so hello guys. Today we're going to be unboxing a Campark DC45 4K UHD dash camera, and it just arrived yesterday from eBay. Here we go. I might actually read it. So, dual channel, 4K, 1080p, built-in GPS, parking monitor, G sensor lock, 140 wide angle, or 140, whatever it is. So what do you reckon that is? Okay, that's quite hard to get off. Yep. Is that the mount?
That's the suction cup mount.
And that's, what's this one?
That's the reversing, that's the rear camera.
Oh, and that's the...
And that's the front camera.
What do you reckon that is?
The cable ties and cable mounts by the look of it.
Okay. And that's the
Power adapter.
Yep.
Yep. Very long cord.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's quite a lot. And what would that? That's the
Computer cable by the look of it.
Okay. Little sticker, I think. And the manual.
I think it's manual. Okay.
Right. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll let you know on part 2 how good it actually is, isn't it? Yeah. So what I mean. Oh yeah. So I'll just turn it on. So it's not turning on.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll charge it up and get it all set and going, and I'll let you guys know on part 2 how good it is and everything, and tell you more about it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.